Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can download and install VMware Workstation Player on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to download VMware Workstation Player, open your browser and search for VMware Workstation. Let me tell you that VMware Workstation is a software that helps you to create a virtual machine. Using that virtual machine, you can install multiple operating systems on one PC. To download, simply open the link from vmwareworkstation.com. Don't worry about download link, I'll put the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download VMware Workstation Player. Here we have two download options, one is for Windows and another one is for Linux. So we are using Windows operating system, so we will download the Windows version. To download, simply click on this download now option. Here you can see it is downloading, it is around 600 MB, so let me complete the download process. Now let us install VMware Workstation. For that, simply open this installer file. Here we have the setup window, let me minimize the browser. Here we have the setup window for VMware Workstation Player. Here simply click on next. Here simply accept the license agreement, then click on next. Here keep everything to default, then click on next. Now if you want to create a desktop shortcut or start menu folder, then simply check this box, then click on next. And here finally click on install. And here click on finish. Now open VMware Workstation Player. Here click on continue and click on finish. So this is the interface of VMware Workstation Player. Using this software, we can create multiple virtual machines and we can use that virtual machine to install multiple operating systems. So that's it. This is how you can install VMware Workstation Player on Windows 11. In next video, I'll show you how you can install Ubuntu 22.04 LTS on VMware Workstation. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.